Hello creators. With WordPress 7.0, we have now foundation of AI across the platform. It clearly means we can use our preferred AI models with our WordPress website. You can read the detailed release note. Now, as you know, WordPress empowers 40 to 43% of web, and it is the best platform to offer interactive website using automation models, and there are everything that you may need for your business and services. So you might be wondering why we are needing WordPress premium themes to make a powerful website. Yes, so themes comes with bundle features, and with a premium theme you can always create and launch your dream website in no time without any developer support. Which theme is most being used and which one you should choose is always a question, and the channel WP Themes that you are watching gives all the overview of a theme, plugin and how-to guides. So there are hundreds of themes to choose and compare on this channel. In this video, we are going to choose a very popular WordPress theme. Let us explore some. So I have flat some, which is already got 2,67,000. So we can say around 3 lakhs of sales. And the WoodMart is another popular multi-purpose WooCommerce theme that has the score of 1,13,000. So it is great. The 7 has 3,35,000 of sales as on date. It is a great WordPress theme. The Porto itself that we are using at even WP Themes website has 1,02,000 of sales, and the Access Store has 54, around 55,000 of sales. So there are hundreds of themes that we can calculate that covers around half of the CMS or premium theme market. Right. So what is the target in this video? So you have iCreate platform as well. You can directly join the program to get a discussion with a mentor on the live chat, or you can explore the solutions that you can have for your WordPress site. Yes, it is all for you, and explore the website through the video description link. And we are going to create an e-commerce website using any of this theme. So which one is going to be a choice for this video for me? And okay, so let us randomly choose the WoodMart WordPress theme. So I open the link WoodMart, and it has got very good reviews from its existing users. It cost $59, just $59, and you will be surprised what you are getting in this $59. So yes, we are going to discuss everything. And 4 elegant pre-built website solutions. Okay, launch your project faster with your professionally designed, ready to import website templates, and the WCAG 2.2 accessibility compliances are here. Gutenberg editor, Elementor and WP Bakery 100 plus pre-built website come with WoodMart. And yes, let us choose this, and the speed is always a key to success, and here it is. So around 100% of Google optimized speed. Okay, so I'll explore some layouts. So live preview, and here it is. And pre-built website gives us options to create the furniture, vegetable and the fashion, makeup store, the marketplace, or the electronics, or pets, pottery, t-shirts and all. So we are going to create any of these websites in this video, and mainly I'm focusing how easy it is to create a website using the WoodMart WordPress theme, and why it is so popular, what are the features included. Yes, you can read all the details, but you cannot feel or you cannot visualize without watching this complete video. So this is being the main objective of the videos on this channel, to give you insights that you cannot get without buying the theme. And before buying the theme, you have to know each and everything. So it is important to watch the video completely so that you may take a correct decision. So WoodMart is here, and I'm ready with the core and fresh installation of WordPress. When you are planning a WordPress website, you need to install WordPress core on your domain, and you can choose the cPanel based hosting or hPanel, I mean hostinger. So you can always get a best hosting options at WP Themes website. All the links has been given in the video description. So let us start from here. I'm going to install the WoodMart WordPress theme here, and this is a very clean installation. You can see the website is very clean. So with the 2025 WordPress theme, I got the theme pack. So WoodMart is here, the WoodMart child and the main theme. So it is showing around 31.6 MB inside. Okay, so I'm going to install this theme. So under appearance, we can easily install the theme. So main objective to show you the easiness and ease of access, we can say. So upload the theme and choose the file. Just choose the installable theme file, woodmart.zip. Hit on install now. It will take a while. Once installed, we can simply activate this theme. Okay, so I must tell you, you have to buy the theme. Once you decide to buy this theme or any other theme, you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net. The link, the correct link has been given in the video description. You'll get all the features, I mean all the facilities with the theme in this $59, like quality check by Envato, the future updates, and 6 months support from the original theme developers. Ecommerce are the original developer of WoodMart WordPress theme, and you'll get the actually updated version and correct version here on the themeforest.net. So this is the only place where you can buy the theme, correct version of theme, the authentic version of theme, we can say, and the link has been given in the video description. If you have any question, you can simply connect with the mentor here on the live chat, who can help you in buying the resources and installing the theme, demo, and all. It is for free for you, and you can join the program for free, of course. So okay, now we can simply activate the theme, and upon activation we have this installation wizard, and we can simply go with this wizard. So let us start, and it is going to be so simple. As I said, we don't need, so here you need to activate your license, so and that you'll get in the theme pack. So I have already done this. So child theme may be installed or skipped, so I'm skipping this, which is not required for me. Elementor, Gutenberg, and WP Bakery. So these are three major page builders that you'll get at WoodMart. All three we can say. So Elementor is the first choice, so I'm going with this. So you can always go with the Gutenberg or the WP Bakery. So it is wise to choose Gutenberg when you are planning your own wireframe and simply block based editor website. So it is Gutenberg is the good choice, but yes, Elementor is more popular, so I'm going with this just to show you all things. Okay, Elementor is here, so this is a required plugin. We have to install the Elementor, the WoodMart core, which is the core plugin. We need to install this. We are targeting an e-commerce website, so WooCommerce is here, the contact form 7 as well, the MailChimp, and the SAP SVG. So all can be installed in a single click. So I just click on install and activate all. It will take a while again, and it will install all listed plugins here. And in around 30 seconds of installation process, plugin installation process, I'm here at contact form 7, and I hope it will be completed soon without any manual intervention. We are installing these plugins, and this is very easy to go interface, we can say, and you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. So you can launch a website with full features and full edginess with WordPress CMS, and this is the beauty. This is why the WordPress is most preferred CMS even in the era of AI, and now with the AI it is going to cover all the web, I believe. So now SAP SVG in line. Okay, all done, and all plugins you can see installed and activated as well. The list is showing clearly, so we can go with continue, and on the next, let us see what. Okay, So here are the choices of the layout that we can target with the theme. And okay, so all great. I'm really happy to see all the options here, so we can directly choose any of these layouts. There are many. So if you are running an agency, so you should have this theme, because you have when you will have the hands-on practice on this theme features, you'll be able to deliver the website quickly and with all the great advantage and features. So what I should choose? Okay, so let us choose this merchandise. Let us see the live preview. Okay, this is great. And what else we can choose? The WoodMart main, the fashion, and the perfume. Okay, so perfume not required. Pets, winners, and the t-shirts, the barber soap. Okay, very good. And marketplace, makeup, and vegetables. Okay, so I'll go with this merchandise, and I'm choosing this to import. And okay, so it is going very fast. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13% in just a click. Importing products, 23%. I'm just showing you the screen because I'm not pausing, just to show you how fast it is going. And this is the beauty of the theme pack and the hosting that we are using. So all makes it happen, and it is so smooth and easy. Okay, so importing pages, so it is taking a while, and on 90% it is going super fast, around in a minute and a half, 1.5 minutes. And applying the theme settings, and you cannot close this tab when the import process is going on. Just be patient and wait until you are getting any message on the screen. Yes, you can use another tabs, no doubt. 95% applying the theme settings, and yes, it is done. So all content has been successfully imported and it is ready to use, so we can continue. Everything is ready. Start customizing. Okay, great. And I believe welcome to WoodMart, and we have the dashboard where we can go for theme settings, preview website, item license, and pop-ups, sliders, layouts, header builders, replacing the logo, and the some guides are here, like how you can replace the logo in header builder, customize the styles and colors. And yes, so I'm also eager to see my website, how it looks, and I'm going to refresh this page. And this is amazing, wonderful, and I got all the elements without any doubt. We got all the stuffs, all the images, and randomly we can check the pages in new in. Okay, so if you are interacting with this page, I mean the spinner page, what can be the quick fix? So just go to the WordPress and the settings, and here the permalinks. So we are going to generate a new htaccess file. So choose the post name if it is not already chosen. Choose post name and head the changes, save changes, and now it will be fixed. So I'm going to reload this page while it is saving up. Okay, so this is the new in, and it is really so interactive and amazing look that you can see here. And okay, it is perfectly showing the elements, the product details, and all. So we are going to use this setup for future features, I mean add-on features, how you can go for the WooCommerce and all. So just keep watching the videos coming on the channel to maximize the features. However, this is a full feature website with the WoodMart, but yes, we can add features like certain features you may need for your e-commerce website for make it more professional. So all the pages are going very fine, very fast, and Now I'm going to take you back at the WoodMart welcome screen where we can proceed for the next things. Very quickly, I'll show you all the options through which you can start the customizations. So the theme setting is the area where we can use the presets and backup. So like this is the preset area that we can set the uh, layout, like header, merchandise is already selected, site width and the columns, the sidebar and all can be easily selected what you want to use. Header builder, the promo pop-up, the age verify pop-up and the cookie law info, mobile bottom navigation bar, the search options, the page title, product archive. So I'm randomly clicking the links. You can see the list here, and it is a full featured dashboard to handle the things. So pre-built websites, we have already used one, but yes, we have linked to access other pre-built sites. So just in case, header builder gives us option to create new headers at the website, and the layouts is another. So by default, the header is created as we selected in the demo layout. The layout, we can add layout, new layouts. So already being used layouts can be edited using the Elementor page builder here, like the lost password or the single product layouts what have been published. Sliders, so you can handle the sliders on the website from here. So there is no revolution slider like thing on the website installation, so you have to handle the slider element from here only. Similarly, we have the HTML blocks, pop-ups, the floating blocks, and the sidebar. So you can add all the required elements and the layouts from this screen. Further, we have control on the theme settings, like we have already seen, I believe. Yes, this is the same screen on the left, sidebar navigation, HTML blocks, slides, sidebars, pop-ups, floating blocks, projects, and all. And of course, you can upload the products in the WooCommerce products area. And if you are facing any difficulty in setting up the products and you are willing to set up variable products, the shipping methods, the pricing, and how you can bulk update the price and all, so you have always a mentor with you who can guide you in setting up everything. You just need to join the iCreate program here using the get started button, or before you join you can even start a chat. So this get started means the onboarding on the iCreate program is absolutely free when you are buying the theme through the video description link, which is an affiliate link to the theme forest. So just follow the links and you'll be able to get all the benefits. Okay, so these are some products, and we have nothing much more like heavy settings and the difficult customization options. You just need to upload your products. You can easily customize the layouts from the theme settings, and for changing the content on the front end of the website you can use the Elementor page builder. Like when you are targeting to edit the components on this page, simply use the page and go to the respective section, or simply hit on edit with Elementor option where you can edit the text, images, and everything. Editing contents with Elementor is very easy, and you can just use the pencil icons, go to the respective sections, and you'll be easily able to edit the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and the text length should be around same, so that you may maintain the design integrity and overall. So when you are here on the iCreate, you can always complete your project with the help of mentors. So if you are new to WordPress, if you are launching very first website, if you want to learn WordPress, so all facilities you can get through the iCreate, and you'll be able to launch a successful and full featured website using premium WordPress theme with the supports and whatever you may need for your WordPress website. So it is all for you, and we will be launching our website. I mean, you'll be launching your website soon when you are following the patterns. Let us meet in the next video, and in the next video I'm bringing more useful tools for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.